Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's another holiday makeup look in time for Christmas. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. There won't be a full voiceover in this video. I decided that I won't be doing detailed voiceovers that much anymore because I don't even know if people really pay attention or watch the whole video. So all the products I use will be in my description box. And as always, if you have any questions, you can always let me know and I will answer them. And if you would like to do a makeup theme collab with me, leave it in the comments or you can message me directly. Stay safe out there. I love you guys so much and thank you so much for the support. One thing I will say, this primer, I didn't really care for it too much. It was really tacky and you really don't need a lot of it at all. But it did make my eyeshadow stay on all day. So maybe next time I'll just use less and use a different brush to apply it. Oh, sorry, I forgot to say I added some silver glitter on top of my black liner, in case you're wondering where did that come from. But as always, I appreciate you guys watching my video. I have more Christmas looks coming up, winter looks, and yeah, I love you guys. Bye!